Hi everybody, today we are reviewing Abatron Wood Epox. Now if you're like me, you're probably concerned about how expensive it is. So I bought a test kit for about $50 to see how it would work. If we zoom in on this with the camera, you'll see it's a two-part mixture, and you take equal sized portions, mix them together, which I'm going to do right now. And hopefully this will help you in your decision making when looking for a good wood epoxy. So I'm going to take about equal parts, and then I'm just mixing them together. And you could tell the high quality of this product immediately when you just start mixing it. So I'm not going to have this whole thing. You got to mix it for at least a minute. We will cut the camera and then we'll come back when this is finished. Alright, so I've mixed the two parts together, and it's this sort of solid white color. And then if you come on over here, you'll see that I have this log cabin, and I'm new to log cabin home ownership, so I was kind of worried about all this stuff. But I'm trying to keep the rain and water out, so I primed this area with the wood hardener, also by Abatron. And now I'm just going to take this, and I'm actually going to take my glove off so I can work with it a little better. I'm going to put that right in there. And that's all there is to it from my end here. Now this is my first time using this. I'm a novice, but I found it helpful. I was reading about things online, and hopefully this will help you a little in your decision making if this is right for you. Again, I don't know if I'm doing this 100% correct, but as a do-it-yourselfer, I'm very pleased with this product, and feel that it's going to protect the wood for years to come. Now, the last thing that I'll say here is that it is expensive. This test kit I spent $50 on, and I will be ordering more, but you just figure that the cost of replacing this log would be probably several hundred, maybe thousands of dollars. So to preserve this with between $50 to $200 worth of wood epoxy seems to be a good investment. Okay, here we go. We have completed the installation of the Abatron Wood Epox on this section here. Later on I'll sand it down and then stain it. So I noticed on the end piece of this log that there was a soft spot down there, and when it rains the water pools in here. So again, I coated this with the wood hardener, and then I'm going to take this wood epoxy and fill the hole in. Going to need to mix up a little more, but it's nice because you can work with it. It's a good consistency to get into small crevices and spaces. And we will mix up another batch, and we'll fill this whole section in here to prevent the rain from pooling.